Hello, good morning. Today is February 28th. It's a holiday. I'm alone at home. As usual, I'm a lonely guy. What can I do? What I want to do today is show you a beautiful new game. Actually, two games. Those two games were sent to us by the creators. Let me show you. This is the first one. It's called Yes, Ginseng, and the second one is this one. What a Sweet Life. Yes, Ginseng Card Game. So both have the same name. Yes, Ginseng. And because the creators have sent us these two games, this video is a sponsored video. They will put an ad in our magazine, but I can tell you, spoiler alert, I really like these two games, and I will show you why, and will show you how to play the game. And start with this game. So it's a board game or tabletop game. My first impression when I opened the package with a box in it, it's very beautiful designed. It feels great. It has a nice image, like a golden imprint, and the English name is Yes, Ginseng, and the Chinese name is 夜市人蔘 Night Market Ginseng. And 夜市 sounds a bit like yes, so they play with the words there a little bit. Okay, let's unbox the game. Let's see what's inside. Shall I do a smell test? Smells like beautiful paper. Actually, I opened this before, and here's a pair of chopsticks. They were attached to the side when I received the package. I don't think you use the chopsticks during the game, but it's a nice touch anyway. First you see this nice booklet, the instruction manual. So it's quite thick. It has a beautiful image as well. I really like how they did the design. Next we have, want to know more, download our free app. So they have a free app as well. And then you have, 3 cardboards with $1 coins imprinted. So I opened this before. It's not the original way it was put in. Now you have a lot of cards. The cards look very pretty. They have different colors on the back. So they have green cards, they have red cards, and they have blue cards. These two cards are simple instructions how to play the game. So basically you have 3 types of cards. The green cards are called order cards. The red cards are called special cards, and the blue ones are called ingredients. When I first opened this game, I had no idea how to play it, so you have to look inside the instruction manual. And it's well written, it's in English and Chinese. The Chinese comes first, then the English. You can see it's quite a few pages. Let me show you what's on the other side of the cards first. So here we have different dishes. And on the side you have colors. The red cards, they have instructions. And the ingredients, here you can see vegetables, green, soup, yellow, red, meat, blue, seafood, and gray, rice and flour. And I think there are 2 special cards, ginseng cards. The game is played by 2 to 6 players. The game length is 15 to 20 minutes. Learning time 3 minutes, so it's not difficult to understand. Okay, here rules and game plan. Choose the player who will start the game. Players take turns in clockwise order. Okay, first of all, every player gets 3 ingredient cards and 2 special cards. Next, put 3 order cards face up in the middle of the table. And each turn, every player draws another 3 ingredient cards. Okay, let's see what I have in my hand. I have 1 rice card, I have 1 seafood card, I have 2 vegetable cards and 2 special cards. So the objective of the game is to get the orders in the center of the table. And if you look on these order cards, you see they have different colors on the left side. This one has gray, blue and red. This one has yellow, blue and red, and this one has gray, green and red. And in order to get the order in the middle, the colors on your cards in your hand have to match the colors of the vegetable. So for example, this one, I have one green, I have one gray, but I don't have a red, so I can't take this order. So I have to wait until I get more cards. Players examine the colors on the order cards and see if the ingredients cards have all the colors necessary to make the order. For each order completed, players earn the dollar amount indicated in order cards. So let's say I need a red card. I have one red card, one green card, one gray card, so I can take this order. And on the order it says $3, so I get $3 from here, and these cards go back under the deck, I guess. When I take an order, I think you have to replace the card, and then this guy, so he gets the order, gets $3, card under the deck, and so on. So this is the way you play the game. Okay, basically the idea is that every player is a vendor on a night market in Taiwan. So everyone has his own food stall. You want to get orders from the customers, so that's what you do in this game. You try to get orders on the table and then you earn money. And with the money, if it's your turn, now you have these special cards. These special cards are quite fun. There are quite a lot of them. You can buy these cards. If it's your turn, you can buy cards with the money you have earned from the deck here. You can buy special cards for $2, so 2 coins, and then you get special cards. And when it's your turn, you can use these cards on other players. Here is a thief card. So if the other player has a thief card and it's his turn, he shows me this card, and then he gets to take 2 cards from me, 2 ingredients cards. So I have to pass him 2 cards. This goes back under the deck, so he gets an advantage. But if I have a gangster card and he will want to take away the cards, I can show him this, and then I am protected against his attack. So this was one example of how these special cards work. Okay, so this is how you play the game. You try to get orders, you earn money, you use special cards to get an advantage. The game stops when all the order cards have been taken. So you have the pile of order cards. One takes a card, you take a card, then the cards are replaced. And if all cards on the table have been taken away by players, the game is over, and then you count how many cards each player has, and who has the most cards wins the game. It's fun. So it's quite a simple game. You can learn it very quickly. The idea of this game is not just to have fun, but also to learn a little bit about Taiwan night market food. If you go to the back of the manual here, you have introductions of all the dishes you have orders for. Taiwanese street food. If you look on each order card, you have the Chinese name, the Chinese characters, and then you have the Hanyu Pinyin romanization. And if you want to learn more about this dish, for example, this is called Hailu Shuangbing, some kind of seafood dish. Then you go to the back of the manual. Let's see if I can find it. The photos are quite good as well. And here we have Hailu Shuangpin, seafood and meat combination. And you have a short introduction of the food. So not only can you have fun, but you also can learn about night market snack foods. You can even take this little booklet to a night market and see if the food is the same in the book and at the night market stands. I really like the game. I have not yet figured out where to buy it. I will put the information regarding where you can buy it below the video. So they will also make a little post on our website. Okay, this is the first game. Yes, Ginseng, a nice, well-made game.